Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And although these Windows videos will be mostly oriented towards Windows 11, all of these tips work on Windows 10 also. So if you buy a new PC that had Windows 11, or if you buy a new PC with Windows 10, you can follow the same recommendations. It's just the menu are different. So it might be a little different when you do it. But buy a new Windows 11 PC. What are the first things that you should do? Well, we'll have a series of videos of things that you should actually do when the PC is brand new. First one is once the PC is up and running, make sure that you go to your settings and go into Windows Updates. And make sure that you apply and check for updates for every single update that is possible that it will get, and install all of the updates. Once everything is up to date in Windows Update, that's great. You're safe because mostly it's security that we're talking about, but there could be also some bug fixing updates that might fix something that could have gone bad or wrong on your new PC. And the bug fixing update fixes that also. So install all the optional updates and all the security updates. And that's the first thing you should do because that's going to keep you safe. But that doesn't stop there, and it isn't the only updates you should do. Windows 10 and Windows 11 even more are operating systems that are different from the past, that have part system updates, but also app updates. So a lot of the core apps that come with your computer, and more of those will be apps that come from the store as time goes by, are apps that are updated through the Microsoft Store. So make sure that you go and check the Microsoft Store. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, you will actually go and check Library on the bottom left and click the button that says Get Updates right here. This is going to update the apps that you have on your PC, but not just the apps. It might even update the store itself. So if you see the store closing down, maybe there's an update for the store. Just open it again and just make sure that you check for updates to have all the apps updated to their latest version. That's how you'll get all of the latest features available to you on your computer. So that is the first step. App updates and Windows updates. That will ensure that your PC is at the latest updates of everything. And now you'll be set to actually continue on and start using your PC. So more videos coming up of things to do when you have a brand new PC that are going to help you tremendously. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.